Ever feel like your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your account? Payday comes, you feel rich, order takeout, shop online, grab daily coffee, weekend getaway. Just 1 to 2 weeks later, your balance is almost zero. You wonder, where did all the money go? Next month you try budgeting again, but it falls apart fast. This is super common for young Americans. Budgets fail because they are too rigid. You set strict fixed amounts, but life isn't a machine. Unexpected costs hit, car repair, friends invite you out, phone breaks. You forget to plan for these, so the whole plan collapses. Another big reason, confusing needs with wants. Many people count daily Starbucks as a need because of work stress. Result, the essentials category balloons, savings drop to zero. Using fixed dollar amounts is another mistake. Salary goes up, but you keep the same spending plan and blow the extra. Salary drops and it's hard to adjust. Guilt about spending also leads to revenge spending blowouts. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple, effective fix. 50% of income to needs, essentials, 30% to wants, fun stuff, 20% to savings and debt repayment. Popularized by Elizabeth Warren, it's helped millions of Americans escape living paycheck to paycheck. Example, with a typical net take-home pay of $4,000/month, after taxes, common for 25 to 34-year-olds. 50% equals $2,000 for needs, rent, basic groceries, gas/transport, utilities, internet, health insurance. 30% equals $1,200 for wants, dining out, coffee shops, movies, clothes, Netflix, hobbies. 20% equals $800 for savings and debt, emergency fund, retirement contributions, paying down credit cards. Percentages are more flexible than fixed dollars. When income changes, everything scales automatically. Biggest mental benefit, no more guilt when spending. You're allowed to spend that $1,200 on wants without feeling bad. It becomes your reward after covering essentials and savings first. Stress drops and you still enjoy life. This method works great for beginners with steady income. It's less ideal if you have high-interest debt, focus on debt payoff first, or very irregular income, freelancers should average a few months first. How to start, calculate your true net income. Track spending for 1 to 2 months using Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet. Clearly separate needs versus wants. Automate it the day your paycheck arrives, transfer 20% straight to a separate savings account. Use 2 to 3 accounts, one for needs, one for wants, one for saving. Build an emergency fund first, aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small, $200, $500 per month. Once you have a safety net, shift more toward investing, $401k, index fund. Stay flexible, if you overspend on wants 1 month, cut back the next. If needs come in under budget, move the extra to savings. Don't beat yourself up, treat it as data to improv. Real-life example, $4,500 net/month in a mid-sized city. Needs $2,250. Rent $1,200, groceries $400, transport $300, utilities $200, phone $150. Wants $1,350, eating out, entertainment, shopping. Savings $900, emergency fund plus retirement. After 1 year, your emergency fund could hit $10,000 plus, giving you real financial security. Budgeting isn't about banning fun, it's about enjoying life sustainably. Start today, don't wait for next month. Try 50/30/20 for 1 month. Calculate percentages, automate transfers, track lightly. The first month might be off, but you'll get the hang of it. Soon your account stays positive, you still have fun, and you're actually building wealth. You deserve a solid financial future. The best time to start is right now. Give it a shot and feel the difference. Flex biceps.